Knit and purl stitches. Lozenges pattern. Welcome to Loops&Colors channel. Today we will knit a new fully reversible pattern to our collection. It is easy and quick to knit. Only knit and purl stitches are used in this pattern. For the pattern, cast on stitches multiple of 5 stitches. Repeat rows from 1 to 8 for the pattern flat. Row 1. Right side row. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 4 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 2. Wrong side row. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 3. Right side row. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 4. Wrong side row. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 4 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 5. Right side row. Knit 4 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 6. Wrong side row. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 7. Right side row. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 8. Wrong side row. Knit 4 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Repeat rows from 1 to 8 for the pattern flat. Enjoy your knitting and subscribe to our channel to get more patterns to your collection.